Now see the example based on interference pattern. See the first question, the width of the two slits in Young's double slit experiment are in the ratio of 9:4. That is the width of the two slits. It means W1 by W2 is equal to, you are given 9:4. Now we have to calculate the intensity ratio in the interference pattern. So we know it, the intensity ratio of the light coming from the two sources, that is equal to actually here I1 upon I2 and is equal to also A square upon B square. A and B are the amplitudes of the light waves coming from two coherent sources. So we know this, so we can write A is to B is equal to 3:2. Now we know we have to calculate the intensity ratio in the interference pattern. See, in the interference pattern there are two intensities only, I max or I min, that is the maximum intensity and minimum intensity. We know it, I max upon I min is equal to here A plus B whole square upon A minus B whole square. We can solve from here, that is A is equal to 3b by 2, that is value of A. So here we can put in place of A, that is 3 by 2b plus b whole square upon 3 by 2b minus b whole square. That can be written here 5 by 5b upon 2 whole square upon here, that is b upon 2 whole square. So now we can write, everything will get cancelled, we will be getting a b square. So that by solving we will be getting 25:1. So the ratio of maximum intensity and minimum intensity in the interference pattern is 25:1. Now see the next example. Here the intensity ratio in the interference pattern is 1:9. It means the ratio of intensities in the interference pattern is given to us. What is the amplitude ratio? Now we have to get the amplitude ratio, that is A:B. So our aim is to get it here A upon B. What is that? So we know it here, I max upon I min is equal to A plus B whole square upon A minus B whole square. This relation is known to us. In question we are given 1:9, that is minimum to maximum. So the maximum to minimum, that will become 9:1 is equal to A plus B whole square upon A minus B whole square. That is 3 upon 1 is equal to A plus B upon A minus B. So 3A minus 3B is equal to A plus B. So we can write 2A is equal to 4B. So A is to B is equal to 2:1. So this is the ratio of amplitude of the two coherent sources which are interfering and giving the ratio of intensity is 1:9.